how to create stunning portraits with pastel. Come with me as we go into the work. So after sketching all your sketch, there's nothing more bigger than what I'm seeing here. Following up the detailing after using all the primary colors and mix them to get the skin tone of this woman. Then I work on the face, work on the resemblance. After finish with that, this is the highlights that I'm just trying to create to bring out the highlights more. If it's your first time coming across this channel, subscribe or follow and stay tuned for more art tutorial or tips how to perfect on your pastel, whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist. With these little tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next level. If you like this artwork, give me a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think of it. So as we go into the work, if you have somebody that's interested in learning art, you can invite them to follow my page or channel for more tutorial. So I'm done with the face. Come down to the clothes. Working on the clothes right now. Start putting on the red. Wow. So putting on the red. Still on the red. Yeah, just smooth it and try to create the folds on the clothes. With that I use a black charcoal to get some little darker effects. Yeah, still working on this. Yes, I finally got what I was looking at the clothes, trying to make some design on the clothes. Yes, yes. So this is about the finishing of the work. So welcome to the end of today's class. Love you. See you in my next